Let's compare the Swiffer Sweeper XL to the Quickie Bulldozer broom. So both of these are really great for cleaning your floors, for getting dust and things off of your floors. And the Swiffer XL is quite wide, so you can put a cleaning pad on. I don't have one on it right now, but you can see how it is quite wide, and you can go over a bigger surface area on the floor and pick up dust. Now the Bulldozer broom here, on the other hand, also quite big, quite wide, but it's instead of having a pad that picks up the dust, it has these bristles like a traditional broom that you can use to push that dust into a pile or push it out the door, and then to pick it up with a dustpan, or again, just sort of get rid of it there. And I find the biggest way I use these two, I use the Swiffer XL primarily indoors to get dust that accumulates on the floors. I use it on my wood floors. I use it here in my kitchen on these tile floors. I do sometimes use the Quickie Bulldozer indoors, but I find it works best for the garage. You could use it in a basement. You can even use it outside because it has those pretty robust bristles. I like to use it to basically clean up paths in the backyard, clean up the garage, and get leaves and things. The Swiffer Sweeper is great for that small dust that the Quickie would actually struggle to push around even. It gets those very tiny particles. But the challenge with it is that it can't get bigger pieces of stuff like leaves and dirt. The Quickie is great for that. It can pick up those or push along those bigger leaves, and if you wear your shoes in, there's a bunch of sand that gets on the floor. It's great for cleaning that up as well. So both of these are really nice cleaning solutions. I like that they're both pretty wide. They cover those bigger floors and a bigger space. I just use them a little bit differently.